how to add AI to your Android app in Google AI Studio. So this is the Android app that I built. This is the app icon. Let me tap on it for you to see. And it's a birthday calculator app. Okay. And as you can see from the top right hand corner, this is the AI feature that I've added. Let me tap on it for you to see. And that is Gemma AI. Okay. And it comes with all the Gemma models and it is completely free. So when I come and then tap on the settings from here, as you can see, I am using my own API key. I can come and then tap on the remove, and over here I have the option to remove the API key. Okay, and then when you come here to the available models, you see that I can select from any of these models. And then the good news is that all of these models is completely free to use right inside your Android app. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so from here, what I have to do is simply come and then give it the question just like this. And after that, I have to come and then tap on Ask Gemma. And that is it. As you can see, the AI has successfully answered the question and it is working perfectly fine. I built the app right inside Google AI Studio. So as you can see from here, I'm inside Google AI Studio. And when I go to the apps, you can see that this is the Android app that I'm just working with. So when I click on it, you see that over here, I have the AI feature right here. Okay. And as you can see, Gemini has showed me that it has successfully added the AI feature right inside my Android app. So let me show you how to do the exact same thing. Simply go to Google, from Google search, come and search for Google AI Studio just like this and hit enter. When it comes, all that you have to do is simply come and then select the official site of Google AI Studio by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to Google AI Studio platform. And all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have my apps and come and click on it. So after clicking on it, you'll see that all the Android app that you have built will show up just like this. All that you have to do is simply come in and select the app that you want to add AI to it by simply clicking on it. So it's going to open just like this. Okay. So after it finished open, as you can see, we don't have any AI added here. So we are going to add it. The first thing is to simply come here to the chat box, okay, and then come and give it this prompt. So you are going to find the prompt inside the video description. Click on it, it's going to bring you right here. All that you have to do is simply come here to the prompt one. That is the inspection prompt, okay. So with this prompt, Gemini is going to use it to get to know what your app is all about. Okay, come and highlight it from the top to the bottom just like this. Come and put the mouse on it. Okay, after highlighting it, come and then right click on it and then come here to the copy and come and click on copy to copy the whole prompt just like this. Come here to the chat box and then come and paste it inside it just like this. Okay, so after pasting in your prompt, what you have to do is simply come here and come and click on send prompt. And what Gemini is going to do is it's going to receive your prompt and then get to know what your Android app is all about. It is not going to add or modify anything to your Android app. After that, you have to come and give it the second prompt, okay? And with this prompt, it's going to add the AI to your Android app. So simply come here and then come and highlight it from the start to the button just like this. After that, simply come and then put the mouse on it after highlighting it. And then come and then click, that is right click, and come and click on copy. And after copying it, simply come back to Gemini and then over here, open Notepad and come and paste the whole prompt inside it just like this. After pasting it here, over here, scroll down, okay, and come here to where we have the AI feature name. Over here inside the bracket, okay, come and highlight it and then come and name how you want your AI to be. So I'm going to name it just like this, okay. After that, simply come here to where we have what should the AI help users do. So you can see that we have the bracket and the just like this. Come and then highlight it and then describe the exact thing that you want the AI to help users to do just like this. After that, come here to where you have example questions that you want users to type in. Okay, come and then give at least 3 of them. So you can highlight it. That is the first one and then write something, the exact thing that you are expecting users to type inside it. Okay. And then come to the second one too and then write another example just like this. After that, come to the third one and then come and write another example, at least 3 of them just like this. After that, all that you have to do now is to simply come and then highlight the whole prompt, put the mouse on it, right click on it, and then come and click on copy to copy the whole prompt and come back to the Gemini chat and come and paste the whole prompt inside it just like this. After that, all that you have to do after pasting it, come and then click on send prompt. So Gemini is now going to receive the prompt and then add the AI to your Android app. And it is going to do that. As you can see, it has successfully added the AI to it without actually modifying or deleting our Android app. So this is the AI feature. Let me tap on it for you to see. And as you can see, that successfully added it. But we need our Google AI Studio API key in order to be able to use it. Okay, so let me show you how to get it. Come here to the back to start and come and click on it. And over here, simply come here to the dashboard and come and click on it. So from the dashboard over here, make sure that API key is selected by clicking on it. And from here, you're going to see that all the API key you have created will show up just like this. Come here to create API key and come and click on it. Okay. After clicking on it over here, you have the option to come and then name your key. So come and highlight what is there already, clear it, and you can name it just like the name of your app and then add Gemma API to it, just like this. After that, come here to where we have choose and imported project. Come and click on it and then come and click on create project. After that, all that you have to do is simply come and then name your project. Okay, highlight what is there already, clear it, and come and name it just like the how you name the first one, just like this, and come and click on create project. So after that, that is it. It is going to show up just like this. You have the name of your key right here, and then you also have the name of your project right here. All that you have to do is simply come and click on create key, and that is it. Your key will be created for you. So this is it, and you can copy the API key by simply coming here to where you have the copy and come and click on it, okay, to copy the API key. Now let's go back by simply click on Google AI Studio. It's going to bring you right here. Come here to where we have my apps and then come and click on it. And then from here, come and then select the Android app again. Okay, by clicking on it, it's going to be selected just like this. And then from here, you have to come and install it, okay, by simply clicking on install. So to install it, simply connect a USB cable to your phone and make sure that it's also connected to your PC as well. And then come and click on install via USB. So after that, over here, this will pop up and then come and select the device by clicking on it just like this. And all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the connect. So you are going to see this pop up on your phone. Come and then check on allow just like this and tap on allow. And that is it. It is going to upload the APK and then install it right on your Android phone, just like this. And it's going to be displayed right on your Android phone. And you can see it from here that the app has successfully been installed. Now, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the close button. And let's go right to our phone and then test how the app works now. All that you have to do is simply come and then tap on the app icon just like this. And as you can see, it has successfully opened. And from the top right hand corner, you see that you have the AI feature right here. Come and tap on it. Okay, so when you tap on it, it's going to open just like this. And we need to come and paste in the API key that we created. All that you have to do is just long press on it and come and tap on the paste. Okay. After pasting the API, you can come and tap on save key and it is going to refresh and show you all the available models right here. So as you can see, this is selected. You can simply come here to where we have the settings, okay, and then change it. So let's go to the settings and then tap on the settings. And from here, you have the option to come and then remove the API key by simply tapping on remove. And as you can see, you can remove it, but I'm not going to remove it, okay. So we are going to test it, okay. And from here, make sure that you select this one, that is ask before using Gemini. Make sure that is selected and then the available models you can go through and then select the one that you prefer, and they are all completely free. So let's come and then tap on the close and let's try the AI. Okay, so simply come here to where you have the AI and then tap on it. And from here, as you can see, you can come and then ask it the question. So I'm going to ask it this question. And after typing it in, all that I have to do is simply come and then tap on send to Gemma. And that is it. Gemma has successfully received the question and then answered it for us, and it is working perfectly fine. So this is actually how to add AI to your Android app. Like the video and then see you in my next video.